Hey everybody, how are you? I'm glad to see you again. And if you are ready, let's start our lesson. Everybody wave your hands. Dance with me, okay? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 Great! Now, everybody, show your index fingers, both of them, show your index fingers, and let's try to dance, okay? And try to imitate. Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill, one named Jack and the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, and fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away low, fly away high. Come back low and come back high. Two little blackbirds sitting on the pole. One was fast and the other was slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast and come back slow. Two little blackbirds sitting on a gate. One was early and one was late. Fly away early and fly away late. Come back early and come back late. Where is late? So let's check our watch. Wow, he's late again. Where are you late? I'm here. Oh, I'm here. Oh, finally. Okay, this is the end of our song, and I hope you liked it. Now everybody, we are going to focus on birds. And today we'll learn about birds. You can see, now I'm going to show you some images of birds. Are you ready? Let's start. Here's the first bird. And definitely you have seen many birds so far. And as you can see, this bird has the combination of the colors red, and here you can see some black and some yellow. And this is a bird. And the next one. And this is also a simple bird. And as you can see, the bird is sitting on a branch, some leaves. Okay, and the last one, you can see this bird has the combination of the colors green and somehow yellow. Well, birds usually produce loud sounds, and sometimes even your ears ache because of that. And they usually sing. And do you know how this singing is called? It's called tweeting. Let's repeat after me. Tweeting. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And do you want to listen how they tweet? And guys, birds usually produce loud noises, and sometimes even your ears may ache. And do you know how it is called? And if you don't know, it is called tweeting. And they usually tweet, 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 tweet. And do you want to listen how they tweet? Okay, let's do it. Look, birds tweeting. Their voice is pretty. and I like it. And this is basically all. And also, birds usually fly, and they have big wings, and they usually move. They fly. So guys, let's try to fly. Fly, 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 fly. And now, let's try to fly with the tweeting sound. Let's fly. Fly, everybody. Use your wings and fly. Fly, 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 fly. Stop. Fly, 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 fly. Stop. Okay. I also want to tell you about their textures. Well, their body is covered by feather. And now I'm going to show you some. And as I said, this is a yellow-green bird. And why this is yellow-green? Because they have yellow-green feathers. And I'm going to show you the feathers. And this is a green feather, and this is a yellow feather. And a yellow feather. Let's blow. Okay, and the green feather. Great. And now, guys, let's touch. Wow, soft. Oh, okay. And we have learned how they look, and we also learned about their textures, and also learned about their voices. Now it's time to switch to other attractions. Hello everybody! Now we want to sing a song called Two Little Blackbirds with my friends Jack and Jill. And of course they will help me to animate this song. Are you ready? So let's start. Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill, one named Jack and the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill, one named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill, one named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jack, Jill. This is the end of our song. I hope you like it.